Welcome. Today, you'll learn how to export the entire history of any Telegram channel using the latest update on the Telegram app for PC. Whether you want a backup, need to archive important messages, or simply want to keep a record of everything, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process in just a few minutes. First, open the Telegram app on your PC and log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, navigate to the channel whose history you want to export. You can find the channel in your chat list on the left side of the screen. Next, click on the channel's name at the top of the chat window. This will open the channel's contact info, where you can see details about the channel, its members, and more. Now, look for the three dots in the top right corner of the contact info window. Click on these dots to bring up a drop-down menu. From the options, select Export Chat History. This is the feature that allows you to save all messages, media, and files from the channel directly to your computer. A new window will pop up with several export options. Here, you can choose exactly what you want to include in your export. For a complete backup, check all the options: messages, photos, videos, voice messages, files, and anything else you need. You can also set a size limit for media files, but if you want everything, leave the size at the maximum. Once you've selected your preferences, click the Export button. Telegram will start processing your request. Depending on the size of the channel's history, this might take a few moments. When the export is complete, you'll find the exported files saved on your computer, usually as an HTML file. You can open this file with any web browser to view your entire channel history, neatly organized and easy to navigate. And that's it. You've successfully exported all the history from your chosen Telegram channel on PC. Now you have a secure backup of your conversations and media ready whenever you need it.